Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss a setting that restricts the entry of different rates for the same item in a sales bill. To enable this restriction, open the Logic folder and run Logic admin. Then, go to Global Settings and navigate to the Sales Settings tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Do Not Allow Different Rates for Same Item in Billing. Check this option and save the changes. After saving, restart the software. Now, try entering the same item multiple times with different rates in a sales bill. When you attempt to save the bill, the software will restrict the entry from saving and display an error message saying, different rate for same item exists.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.